wake up in the morning, I will have a cup of coffee before going out for a run, and ashar pothe I feed some of the dogs near the park. And then I come back and I arrange the rest of my day. At 2 ghonta I will have to reply to clients or emails or give quotations for cake stuff. Usually cakes will go out marketing. So I usually work from 10 to 4. The evenings that are free basically. Then at least at 2 ghonta I'll try and paint. And it's difficult for me to paint at a stretch. Like I keep taking breaks, I get distracted, and then I give myself a reward, which is usually coffee. Culinary school, I went to like Cordon Bleu in London. Oitar pashapashi I used to also work. I used to work at a really fancy restaurant where I was interning. It was amazing, called the Wolseley. So for baking or finishing cakes, I don't have an idea of what it will really look like. So I usually work on like color themes. So I'm a client will customize korte bolle. They'll give me like a color or like a set of colors, and I'll work around it. So I'll have oi colors or the complementary different elements to put on the cake. After when I go to finish the cake, I just put on the things that I think at that minute or that moment that looks good. But painting it's completely opposite. Like I have to see the painting in my head first. So yeah, that's the difference. Ekta age theke set kora thake, arekta ekdomi set kora thake na. I found my dog with my friends 3 years back, and she was this really small puppy. And we were just like, you know what, we're gonna take her to the vet. Basically, how can I actually help street animals? So I reached out to 4 organizations, and then I said, guys, I want to give money to you, and the way I want to do it is I will paint portraits of other people's pets, and the money that comes to me, they can choose which of your organizations the money will go to. So one of the bands that I've been working with for almost 5-6 years is Indalo. Ora jekhane record korchilo or acoustic arts, okhane baire there was a dog. We all used to really like the dog and pet the dog. They like how they come. It just, when we were talking about logos, it just naturally came. The dog just came up in my head, and that's still Indalo's main like t-shirts or merchandise or wherever it is. We still use the dog. But other bands I've worked with has been a new band called Bangla Motor. So I've done their logo as well, and other projects I've worked on would be with the Dhaka Noise project. Yeah, I'm always looking for really, really interesting projects to work on, really interesting bands to work on.